Hi everyone, I am Dr. Rita Behal. Through this video, I am going to speak about a very interesting topic, Ayurveda Avtaran. What does it mean? The descent of Ayurveda from the heaven to earth is Ayurveda Avtaran. In this video, I am going to speak about the origin of Ayurveda. Vedas are the most ancient literature available in the history of human civilization. These ancient Indian texts were written in Sanskrit language. These texts explain the fundamentals of geometry, astronomy, astrology, lifestyle, behavioral sciences, metaphysics, economics, and life sciences. These are 4 Vedas in all. Lord Brahma, when he created life, also created a big compendium containing 1 lakh verses about life and other principles which sustain it. This whole knowledge was bestowed upon ancient sages by Lord Brahma himself. The sages, blessed with the divine wisdom, created these 4 Vedas. These 4 Vedas are Rig Vedas, Samveda, Yajurveda and Atharvaveda. All Vedas have separate appendices which are Ayurveda. Ayurveda is the essence of health, medicine and lifestyle. Arthashastra, political science and economics. Arthashastra belongs to political science and economics. Next is Dhanurveda, which belongs to martial arts studies, and Gandharva Vedas, which teach us music. Ayurveda is an appendix of Atharvaveda. Ayurveda has 8 branches. First branch is Kaya Chikitsa, which is a study of internal medicines. Second is Shalakya Tantra, which is a study of ear, nose, throat and eye. Next is Agad Tantra, which is a study of toxicology, toxins, poisons. Fourth is Shalya Tantra, a study of general surgery. Fifth is Kumar Bhritya. Kumar Bhritya is a study of pediatrics, study of diseases in the children. Next is Bhut Vidya. Bhut Vidya is a study of mental health and psychiatry. Seventh is Rasayan, geriatric and rejuvenative therapies. Eighth is Vajikarna. Vajikarna is the study of reproduction and procreation therapy. So in this way, these are the 4 branches of Ayurveda. Kaya Chikitsa, Shalakya Tantra, Agad Tantra, Shalya Tantra, Kumar Bhritya, Bhut Vidya, Rasayana and Vajikarna. Ayurveda is not only a medical system but also an art and philosophy of life. It was created by Lord Brahma, the creator, to sustain life in the universe. The ancient Vedic literature explains that Lord Brahma imparted the knowledge of Ayurveda to Daksha Prajapati, who in turn forwarded his knowledge to twin brothers Ashwini Kumara. So Daksha Prajapati forwarded his knowledge to the twin brothers Ashwini Kumara. Ashwini Kumara were 2 brothers. They were bestowed with exceptional understanding of healing science. They are also known as magical physician of gods in heaven. They cured many incurable diseases and performed remarkable surgeries. Now comes to Lord Indra. The king of all angels in heaven gained the knowledge from Ashwini Kumara and propagated this science to Lord Dhanvantari and Maharishi Bharadwaj. Lord Dhanvantari and Maharishi Bharadwaj was the student of Ashwini Kumara. Then they spread the knowledge of Ayurveda among humans on the earth. Lord Dhanvantari and Maharishi Bharadwaja spread this knowledge of Ayurveda among humans on earth. Maharishi Atreya, who learned Ayurveda from Maharishi Bharadwaj, taught Ayurveda to his 6 disciples, namely Agnivesha, Bel, Jatukaran, Parashar, Harit, and Ksharpani. Agnivesha, being most intelligent among other students, created a treatise on Ayurveda medicine, the Agnivesha Samhita, which was later republished as the Chark Samhita. This was an excellent book explaining every basic principle of Ayurveda in details, and it helped a lot of scholars to write down their own books and learn Ayurveda more clearly. Shushruta, a brilliant student of Lord Dhanvantari, learned the art of surgery and created a treatise on surgery. It is known as Shushruta Samhita. It was a unique manuscript. The art and method of surgery were so technically perfect that they are still performed in many modern day surgeries like Kshar Sutra, Agni Karma, and many surgeries. And the Shushruta is still considered as a father of plastic surgery. Vagbhat is the another Ayurveda scholar, compiled Ashtang Sangraha and the Ashtang Hridaya. These are two texts by the Vagbhat are basically on overview of Chark and Shushruta Samhita.